Hello everyone, Model Car Guy Rich here. Welcome back to the channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I would appreciate it. Today I've got an unboxing of a 1964 Chevy Impala SS from AMT Ertl. It is a skill level 2 kit, 125 scale, kit number 6564, and this kit I got it on clearance at Meyer back in 1996, and this kit came out in 1989, and the regular price was $8.79, and I think I paid $4 for this one, just like a couple of the other ones. Here's some info on the side of the box. Let you go ahead and focus on that and read it if you'd like. Let's get right into this one. Still has the cellophane on it. Well, most of it. There's a little piece tore off right here. Let me use that to open it. There we go. First time since 1989, right? Hope everyone's having a great day. I thank you for taking the time to check out my videos. Please be sure to go back and look at some older videos and see if there's something there you'd like. Here we go. Big old box. Oh, I got a metal axle fell on my lap here. Alright. Put that back in the box. And here we have a bag of molded in gray parts. Go ahead and cut that open for you. Oh, there's another metal axle stuck on the inside of there. So there's 2 metal axles come with this kit. Good to know. Oh, they really clamped down on this bag. They didn't leave much room for air to circulate. They were serious when they wanted this one closed. Alrighty folks, here we go. As always, I like to start with the body if I can get it out of there. There she is. Beautiful 64 Impala. Molded in windshield wipers. Looks like a little bit of discoloration there. It almost looks like rust. That's funny. Here's the rear end, a little bit of flashing. Some flashing here too. Not too bad though. Very nice thickness. Good feel to it. Here we have the interior tub, which is very similar to one of the other Impalas I just did recently. Molded in rear seat, and it looks like that piece, the speaker or accent piece, whatever it is molded into this particular kit. Go ahead and maybe paint that with some aluminum or steel color. Here's the dashboard. Very reminiscent, oh, excuse me, wow, very reminiscent of the 63 Impala, I think. And then there is the steering wheel. I did so many Impalas in the last few days, I don't remember which was which right now. Alright, let's see here. Here are the front seats, and the wheel backings, and a couple of wheel inserts with some flashing in there. Here's the hood. And from this side it looks like there's going to be a cutout. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see the cutout if you want to put a blower through there or some carbs or whatever. Here's the chassis. Good thickness. Molded in bottom just like, I don't know, I think it was the 63 Impala. It had the same style chassis. You know what? If you'll hold on just a second, be patient with me. I have the 63 Impala sitting right next to me. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, because it's going to drive me nuts if I don't look. This is the one that was sealed. The box was real tight to get off. Holy cow. Alright. Yeah, there it is right on top, guys. Look at there. There's the 63 in my right hand, and then the 64. Geez, it almost has the same design little sprue chunk that's stuck on there, the same They are, guys, I'm going to call that identical. Nope, there's a little difference. This one here shows the little coil spring pockets, and this one does not. So there's a little bit of a difference in there, but other than that, man, they're almost identical. And this little piece here is straight, whereas this one's round. So that mystery solved. I can go ahead and put that away in a minute. Aren't you glad you stuck around for that? Anyway, molded in gas tank, axles, exhaust, little clamps for the exhaust there. Yep. That's that. Then we have the engine, which looks like it's going to be a 409 again. It is the SS version, right? Got the big old heads. The smaller air cleaner, though, that surprises me. I thought the Impala 409 would have that dual snorkel air cleaner also. That's interesting. And here are two different intake manifolds. Some, I'm not sure what those are. There's no number on them, of course. Here is exhaust manifolds here, valve covers, carburetor, battery, water pump, fan belt pulley, oil pan, engine blocks, 5-bladed fan, distributor with the ignition coil attached right to it, molded to it. This little another blob here, I think, is another carburetor. The inserts for the wheels, where you get two different adjustments, and then looks like it's going to have an option to have a blower on it, because that looks like the fan belt and pulley system for a blower. That might be in the chrome pieces. Here we have some custom parts if you want to do different custom seats with headrests. That's weird. They have some kind of a little bar that'll go up there to make it for the headrest. I wonder if it's going to have a little flat piece of chrome that holds it up. That would be kind of cool. And here's a different kind of scoop for the hood. Some custom exhaust, a custom front end and rear end. And then last but not least, we have the firewall. Let's see, it's decent detail on that. And then the little horns. Those are pretty cool. And a very tiny little radiator and shroud. Fan shroud and a couple of wheel backings. Let me see here. Oh yeah, here's a custom version. They have that. So that's the front end that I just showed you. And you can get 409 and a supercharger. That's what the option is for this one. All right. And for tires, we have multiple sets of tires here again. I'll go ahead and get all this out on the box. I'm going to leave the two axles in the box, guys. Okay. Here we have 2, 3, 4. Yep, we have two sets of tires. Two full sets, all the same size on one set and all the same size on the second set. The first set is Goodyear's. You can read that. The box shows white wall tires on the standard set. These are all the same. A little stiff, hollow, decent tread. And then on the like standard tires that you get off the showroom floor, they show them as white line tires on the box art, but they are not white lined in the package. And these are Firestone with that upside down writing again. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, it's a regular writing. I don't know if we can get it to focus, but there it says Firestone, and they're black walls. Alrighty. Ertl blueprinter card from the 89 and 90. And then we have stuck to the bottom. Oh, here we have the glass, front and rear. Again, this piece is made split in half. I don't know why. And then the decals, nothing fancy there. Texas license plate 758 TJH. I love model cars and some crazy 80s and 90s graphics.
And then we have tail lights. Very nice. 6 of those. I'll put them back in the box. And finally we have some chrome. Go ahead and cut that open for you. Actually, I'm cutting it open for me, but you're going to benefit from it too. Here's the custom front end. Here's some nice looking wheels. I like those. Those are sharp looking. Those are regular Kragers, they look like. And then the factory hubcaps for the SS version. Remember, SS hubcaps were different from standard hubcaps. Here's a beautiful grille. You can definitely use some blackout on that and dress it up real pretty. Here's a rear bumper. Kind of bland looking. And then we have parts of the charger right there. This looks like a little hood air scoop for the carburetors. There's another part of the charger. Oil pan with the molded in starter and oil filter. Alright, some chrome valve covers. Some mirrors. Well, the mirror brackets and the mirror pieces. 2 little antennas, I believe those are. And some more parts here. Little custom tailpipe pieces, I think these 2 pieces are. Although they could be mirrors also. It's hard to say on that one. Chrome exhaust manifolds. And 2 like spotlights, police spotlights, that kind of thing that you'd see on the side of the car. That's probably what those are, the brackets for those. Alright, so that was that for parts. Let's get into the instrucciones. Let's see what we have here. Wow, this instruction sheet is laid out completely different from what I'm used to seeing. So here, on this half, gives you the parts layout of what your kit includes. That's pretty cool. That's different. And then your basic advanced tips, building tips for the advanced modeler, important before you begin stuff. Then it flips over and we have the stock engine assembly, custom engine assembly. Those were header plates, some other 2 little pieces. I didn't know what they were. I knew what they were, I just didn't know what they called them. And here's the interior. Oh yeah, here we go. Custom back frames, part 22A. Now, I don't recall seeing those. Huh. Unless I missed them. No? That's interesting. So the kit is calling for some pieces that aren't in the kit, guys. Oh, no, there they are. They are chrome like I suspected. I didn't even see them. You see them right there? If I can get the glare off of it. There you go, right there. Those 2 little bar looking things. Those are the parts that hold the headrest up in the back of the seats. Yep, I missed it. Well, that's good. That's that. Here's your body assembly. Optional scoop if you'd like. Location pins, very nice. Wheels. And then on the back side, talks about the chassis. Your different versions for your height, for your axles. The bumpers. There goes, I just dropped the glass. Alright. Been a long day. Yep, custom exhaust. And decals shown here in half size. That's nice. I don't know why that matters, but there it is. Well, that's it, folks. And there are the spotlights. So those other little pieces and little square blocks, I didn't catch them real quick. Let me look at that real fast, guys. Try not to keep you too long. Yeah, I didn't see those other 2 little pieces. Huh. Alright. Well, we'll go ahead and let that one slide. If I figure it out by the time I edit the video, I will let you know. Yeah, I don't see them being used on this particular kit. Alright folks, that's it. That's 1964 Chevy Impala SS, AMT Ertl. I hope you all have a great day. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.